An astonishing astronomical discovery is making news. An Earth-sized planet orbiting a red dwarf star that will burn for over 100 billion years. This new world, orbiting a cold, Jupiter-sized star, presents a unique case in the study of exoplanets. And this discovery could reshape our understanding of the potential for life in the universe. So stay tuned. But before we dive into today's video, take a moment to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our upcoming videos. Discovery of SPECULOOS-3b. Located just 55 light-years away in our galactic neighborhood, there is an exoplanet named SPECULOOS-3b. This planet, similar to Earth in size but vastly different in environment, orbits an ultracool dwarf star, smaller, colder, and 1,000 times dimmer than the Sun, could potentially shine for over 100 billion years. What makes this discovery exceptional is that SPECULOOS-3b likely lacks an atmosphere due to its close proximity to its star, exposing its rocky surface directly to space. Recently, an international team of astronomers from MIT, the University of Liège, and other institutions made this extraordinary discovery as part of the SPECULOOS project using a global network of robotic telescaries. They discovered an Earth-sized planet orbiting one of these ultra-cool red dwarfs, which could be among the last lights shining in a far future cosmos. Its characteristics: unlike our home planet, SPECULOOS-3b completes an orbit around its star in just 17 hours, meaning a year on this planet is shorter than a day on Earth. The intense radiation from the nearby star is about 16 times more than Earth receives from the Sun, which likely vaporized any atmosphere the planet might have once had. This leaves SPECULOOS-3b as an exposed, blistering ball of rock, presenting an unobstructed view for studying its geology directly. Plus, the planet is tidally locked, which means one side always faces the star, basking in perpetual daylight, while the other remains in eternal darkness. The role of ultra-cool dwarfs in astronomy. Ultra-cool dwarfs, like the host star of SPECULOOS-3b, are among the most common in our galaxy, yet are less studied due to their faintness. These stars provide a unique opportunity for studying planetary systems, as their longevity and stability make them prime targets for finding long-term habitable conditions. Julian DeWitt, Associate Professor of Planetary Sciences at MIT, stated that with SPECULOOS-3b, we could begin to perform what he calls exoplanetary geology. This means studying the planet's surface properties directly, something unprecedented beyond our solar system. The research team hypothesizes fascinating geological processes, including the potential for magma oceans, volcanic activity, and even plate tectonics in the planet's past. The SPECULOOS Project. The discovery was made possible through the SPECULOOS Project, which stands for Search for Planets Eclipsing Ultracool Stars. Operating a network of 6 robotic telescopes stationed across both hemispheres of our planet, this project aims to explore about 1,600 nearby ultracool dwarf stars. These stars' small size makes it easier to detect planets as they transit, blocking a significant portion of the starlight, which is precisely how SPECULOOS-3b was discovered. Using a dedicated network of telescopes, the project has already achieved significant milestones, including the discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system. SPECULOOS-3b is one of their latest and most exciting findings. Well, initial signs of the planet were detected in 2021, but the data was inconclusive. However, in 2022, detailed observations from MIT's Artemis telescope and subsequent analyses confirmed the presence of SPECULOOS-3b. Benjamin Rackham, a research scientist at MIT, led efforts to characterize the host star using advanced spectroscopy, revealing it to be moderately active and confirming the likelihood that any atmosphere around SPECULOOS-3b would have been eroded away. Despite its relative proximity and similarity in size to Earth, SPECULOOS-3b faces challenges that would make life as we know it hard to sustain. Positioned close to its star, the planet is subject to intense radiation, likely stripping away any atmosphere. We can only imagine standing on the surface of SPECULOOS-3b. Without an atmosphere, there would be no blue sky, no clouds, just darkness, akin to the moon's surface. The Sun, a large purplish-red star, would dominate the sky, flaring and spotted, creating a surreal and stark landscape. But hope springs eternal. This brave little world is now queued for further observation, by the mighty James Webb Space Telescope. What secrets will it reveal about the planet's surface, or even signs of an atmosphere? The discoveries we're making today are not just expanding our knowledge, but are also setting the stage for future explorations that might one day answer the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Hence, it can be said that this discovery brings us one step closer to answering whether Earth-like planets around red dwarfs could be habitable. And it's a wrap on today's exploration of Earth-sized planet with no atmosphere. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get insights on issues that matter.